doctor. Questions? Go ahead.
So first of all, fascinating conversation. I really like the style. Devil's advocate, amazing. So very quick question. Indonesia, incentivization or protectionist?
That's tricky. That's for you, Riel. On behalf of the Indonesian government. Just kidding.
I think it's not protectionist. I think we still open, we still incentivize for the industry. Indonesia currently have their, but they call it Badan Ekonomi Kreatif Indonesia, which they are in the last 5 years they are being their own entity. It's not under the ministry. It's their own entity, focusing in all creative industry, from food startup, fashion until all until film and everything. So they're pretty much open. They're helping all the industry to scale up and everything. So also they also open a lot of international influence to Indonesia that can scale up the industry, because normally from ourselves we don't know which one is best. So we need still other influence from other countries. So I don't think it's protectionist in that case.